Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below. So the pound dollar did make a pretty impulsive move up, but it definitely didn't break structure. Now I do think this is very, very likely an A. This is very likely a B, and I think we're very likely in a wave C. If it's a running ABC, then it could make a higher low. You're right, a running ABC is a higher high wave B, higher high wave C. So if it does go up and break structure, I would definitely become very bullish after the break of structure. But I still think there's a chance that we are going to go down more. I think it's more likely to turn into an expanding, which would probably go down and actually break this structure right here. So I am definitely still recommending shorts. I still think this is more likely to keep going down. But if it does break and hold above structure, then I definitely would turn into a buyer after the break of structure and after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. So I still think this is likely a wave one. I still think this is likely a wave two. So when this is over, it should be the beginning of a big wave three on the daily time frames, which would be a very large uptrend most likely. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.